Hello friends, you're on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you how to clean the water inlet filter in your washing machine. Most often it is located at the back of the washing machine at the top, and it is necessary to clean it when an error appears on the display, when the washing machine takes a long time to fill with water, or when the washing machine does not start washing at all with the selected program. Be sure to unplug the washing machine. Next, you need to turn off the tap that supplies water to the washing machine. If you do not have a separate tap for the washing machine, then turn off the cold water in the entire house. Move the washing machine away from the wall to allow access to the hose. Next, find the inlet hose and start unscrewing it. It unscrews counterclockwise. When you feel that the hose unscrews easily enough, place a bucket or rag underneath it. Some water may flow out. This is the water inlet filter that we need to clean. Note that it has a small rip on it. Clamp the rip with pliers and, using smooth movements to the right and left, carefully pull the filter towards you. Well, this is the state of my filter. Now it needs to be cleaned. If the filter is not very dirty, wash it with a brush and sponge under running water. If the contamination is more serious, you can put it in warm water with citric acid for a while. I use the first option. This filter usually gets clogged with rust and small debris, which blocks the water supply. Therefore, it needs to be cleaned regularly, especially if you have hard water. After cleaning, carefully install the filter back into place. Do not rush. Make sure that the side with the rip is facing you. Now screw the hose back on by turning the nut clockwise and tighten it with medium force. Open the water supply tap, and then you need to make sure that it does not leak from under the nut. If the hose does not leak, plug in the washing machine and you can use it. Look at the right side, the washing gel forms more, so we can conclude that the washing machine now takes in water better. That's how easy it is, friends, to clean the water inlet filter in your washing machine. I hope these tips will help you. If the video was useful for you, put a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.